You can get new review gadget videos in this gadget channel. The video that will be shown now in electronics gadget. The latest gadget include AstroAl mini fridge and Lanmodo Vast Pro, necessary gadget for your everyday life. Do subscribe to gadget channel. The link in the description. Number 1, AstroAl mini fridge. Capacity is to 12 OZ can. Medicine and skincare with easy. Inner are 9.96 inch into 8.26 inch into 6.22 inch. The removable safety make small item like skincare, cosmetics, foods or medicine easy to shape. Cool to warm, cool up to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Blow able temperature or keep warm up to 150 degree Fahrenheit. 2 plug on and include for both stand wall outlets and 12 volt charger light and visual. Note number 2, Lanmodo Vast Pro. Dual 1080p Lanmodo Vast Pro night version system in grade with Dual camera dual 1080p image in vid color. Keep safe driving along the way. Use low light image technology. Vast Pro will provide driving with clear and image even in darkness. High resolution front and near camera capacity. The road view at 1080p high resolution IPS screen present full color image and display the real-time road solution with no long future with 45 degree angle and 884 feet night version distance. Vast Pro makes night driving yields 45 degree field for view. Present a board view that is far beyond what your naked eye can see up at 984 feet night vision distance. See much further than headlight to inform driving on the road solution in adventure, giving you more resolution time to avoid an accident. Real-time recording of road solution enhance driving safety. Dual recording of both the front and rear view. Max support or 128G video resolution at 1080p. Loft recording automatically overwriting the older recorder with the newest on when the store is full G screen.